Hello. Today we are going to go over lesson 4, which is called What Color is Your Shirt? So yesterday you guys did some practice on how to write checks. And then we also talked about the different types of clothing, okay? Or different articles of clothing. So today we're going to talk about how to describe those different articles of clothing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my screen. All right. So your page should look something like this. Lesson 4, it's called What Color is Your Shirt? And yours should be in color as well. Okay, so first things first, it says A, listen and point to the clothing you hear about in the conversation. Okay, so I will point while the video is playing.
What are you wearing to class today?
I think I'll wear my white blouse. How about you?
I'll wear my red t-shirt. And I think I'll go casual and wear shorts.
Me too. I want to go casual. I'm wearing my blue pants with a black belt.
You won't miss me. I'll be wearing a baseball cap.
All right, let's repeat it one more time.
Gabriella, what are you wearing to class today?
I think I'll wear my white blouse. How about you?
I'll wear my red t-shirt. And I think I'll go casual and wear shorts.
Me too. I want to go casual. I'm wearing my blue pants with a black belt.
You won't miss me. I'll be wearing a baseball cap.
All right, so first things first, about describing clothing, we're talking about our colors. Right? So here's our different colors. Here we have white. Okay, make sure to repeat. White, blue, blue, black, black, yellow, yellow, brown, brown, red, red, green, green, and orange, orange. Okay. So let's look at B. It says complete the chart with the words from the picture. Then add more clothing words. Okay, so you have a total of 7 different clothing words. Looks like they already have one of them, singular. Okay, so this is where, if you remember, we talked about how much is and how much are. Either earlier last week, excuse me, not last week, yesterday. Okay, and remember we talked about how much is something you use with a clothing item that is singular. How much are is a clothing item that you use with something that is plural, right? Okay, there are a few items that are always going to be plural. Okay, so first things first. All right, let's get the word blouse. Is the word blouse singular or plural? It is singular. Right? So in order for me to make it plural, all I have to do is add the S. Blouses. Okay, let's look at another clothing article on Gabriela is her belt. Is belt singular or plural? It is singular. Now, in order for me to make it plural, all I have to do is add the S. Belts. Now let's look at the word pants. Okay. These are one of those words that are always going to be plural. It does not change. I know it is only one pair of pants, but the word pants is always a word that is going to be plural. I would say that a good way to remember is because of the S. Okay. Now let's look at Roberto. All right, let's start with his baseball cap. Is that singular or plural? It is singular. That is correct. Okay, in order to make it plural, you simply add the S. Baseball caps. All right, t-shirt, we already have in our chart. Okay, t-shirt is singular, but if we make it plural, it's t-shirts. Okay, now let's look at the word shorts. Okay, again, shorts are one of those words that will always be plural. All right. Now, next one is sandals. Singular or plural? Okay, again, that is another word that will always be plural. Sandals. Okay, the way I usually remember these is not necessarily just the S, but for example, for pants, you have 2 legs. Shorts, you have 2 legs. Tienes 2 piernas. Okay, sandals, you have 2 feet. Another example would be sunglasses. Lentes de sol, right? You have 2 eyes. Tienes 2 ojos. Okay, that is how I remember singular or items that are plural only. All right. I want to look at another one. Okay, and the reason I remind you that with the plural only, it is not only about the S, is because of the word dress. Okay, the word dress is singular. In order for me to make it plural, since it already ends in S, I add ES. Okay. All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and clear it. Let's go into our next one. Okay. See, it says study the chart with words from the box. Okay. Here are our possessive adjectives. Okay, so let's do, I'm gonna draw a quick box over here. Okay, let's say we have our pronoun, right? I is yo, you, tú, usted, he, es, él, she, ella, we, es nosotros, they es ellos. Right? Okay. These are your pronouns, pronombres. Now, when you change it to possessive adjectives, your pronoun will change. All right. Now, possessive adjectives. Possessive. La manera que yo siempre me acuerdo es posesivo. Right? Algo que le pertenece a ti o a esa persona o a ese grupo o a ustedes. Okay. So, por ejemplo, si estoy hablando de algo que me pertenece a mí, en vez de usar I, voy a usar la palabra my. O sea, mío. Me. I use you, cambia a your. De usted. Ahora ya no es usted, ahora es de usted. I'm talking about he, estoy hablando de él. Ahora estoy hablando de his o de él. Porque estamos hablando posesivo. She, ahora es her o de ella. We, ahora es our, de nosotros. Está incluyendo a ti mismo. And they, de ellos, ahora es their o de ellos. Okay. So, for example, my. Okay. I, estoy hablando de mí misma. Okay, pero estoy hablando de algo que es mío. My shirt is blue. ¿De quién es? Okay, so, mi camisa es azul. ¿De quién es la camisa? Mía. Right? So cambia a, en vez de I, cambia a my, porque es mía. Okay, next one. My. Shoes are black. Mis tenis son azul. ¿De quiénes son? Míos. Yo uso my. Let's see. Oops. All right. So you. Okay. El possessive adjective for you is your. Your baseball cap is blue. Tu gorra de béisbol es azul. Okay, next one. Your shorts are brown. Okay, ahora estamos hablando de algo que es de él. So en vez de he, usamos his. His belt is black. Next one. His sandals are brown. Okay, now she. Estamos hablando de algo que le pertenece a she o a ella. So now it's her. Her blouse is pink. So what is next? ¿Qué sigue? Her shoes are white. Los zapatos de ella. Okay. We. Estamos hablando de nosotros. So ahora cambia a our. Shirts are white. We. Cambia a our. Our pants are blue. Okay, and then the last one is they, or ellos. Sorry. Ahora cambia a their, de ellos. Their dresses are red. Their shoes are black. All right, so now let's look at D. It says look at page 47 and answer the questions. Okay, number 1, it says, what color are Roberto's shorts? Okay, estamos hablando de los shorts de Roberto, right? So de él. So he cambia a his. His shorts are brown. Okay, what color is Gabriela's blouse? Okay, so if we look, Gabriela's blouse is white. Okay. So estamos hablando de Gabriela's blouse, de ella, right? De she. So cuando estamos hablando de posesivo, we use her. Her blouse is white. Next one, it says, what color are Gabriela and Roberto's belts? Okay, ahora estamos hablando de los dos. Okay, so here's Roberto and here's Gabriela. They look black, right? Okay, estamos hablando de ellos, right? No nosotros, not we, ellos. So vamos a usar their. Estamos hablando de belts en plural. Are, acuérdate, vas a usar el verb to be are cuando es plural. Belts are black. Okay, now, numbers 4, 5, and 6. I will let you do numbers 4, 5, and 6, and I will check on Monday. All right. Go ahead and save this so I don't forget. Oops. All right. So this next one. This one, it says, maybe I can get it. There we go. Okay, these you have to do in the classroom. We don't have, we're not in the classroom, you can't see. Okay, but I want you to choose, I want you to write the my Okay, and I want you to choose someone in your house. It can be his or it can be her. Okay, and I want you to write this for them as well. Okay, for example, we will do mine here. Let's see if I can, let's see if you can see my video. There we go. Okay, so for example, I will do the my, right? So, and it's like I'm doing it for myself. So my shirt is, okay, my shirt is black. Okay, you can't see my shoes, okay, but my shoes are pink. Okay, for my next one, I'm going to do my pants. Okay, my pants are black. Ooh. You see how they already have my, so I should have pants are black. Okay. Now you will grab somebody in your house, if it's his or her, it doesn't matter, but choose somebody and tell me what they are wearing. So you will do this one, or this one. Okay. This one right here is your information, not mine, yours. Okay. Now I also want you to, in your packet, after your homework, okay, so you have your homework, right? Looks like this, page 37, 38, and 39. Okay, but after your homework, you have another page, and it looks like this. Okay. So these are this is another possessive adjective practice, okay? This is extra. So remember, when you're talking about I, your possessive adjective is my. Your, when you're talking about you, the possessive adjective is yours, your. When you're talking about he, it is his. When you're talking about he, it is her. When you're talking about it, it's its. Okay, now remember, it refers to a thing. Una cosa. When you're talking about we, it changes to our. And when you're talking about they, it changes to their. Okay, so we'll do the first three together. Okay, so number one, it says the boy likes blank school. Okay, the boy, we know we're talking about he, de él, ¿verdad? Niño. Okay, our possessive adjective for he is his. The boy likes his school. Al niño le gusta su escuela. Okay, escuela de él. No es escuela mía, no es escuela tuya. Okay, es escuela de él. Now let's look at two. It says Mary sees blank mother every day. Okay, so we're talking about Mary. Mary is she, and possessive adjective is her. Mary sees her mother every day. Mary ve a su madre, la madre de ella, cada día. Que le pertenece a ella, es madre de ella. My teachers bring blank children to our place on Saturdays. Okay, mis maestras o mis maestros. Okay, sabemos que estamos hablando de they. So our possessive adjective is their. My teachers bring their children to our place on Saturdays. Mis maestras traen a sus hijos a nuestro hogar cada sábado. So you do have your homework, and then you have this possessive adjective activity that you need to do. If you have any questions over the lesson, the homework, or the possessive adjective activity, please just let me know. Thanks.